Alright, so I figured it out. Hey mom. I figured out how to play PS1 games, Japanese PS1 games, on American PS1. No fucking soldering, you opening the thing up, messing with the wires and shit. You know, you ain't gotta worry about none of that crap. Cause I'm always looking online, trying to figure out how to do this, to actually play it. Of course, you could use EPSXE on the fucking computer, but it's better to play with an actual PS1. Actual PS1 controller. This thing should not be balancing like this, but, you know, don't try this at home. But, I figured it out. And I've never seen another fucking tutorial that did this damn thing, so I'm gonna get right to the point. Okay. You need two things for this. You need a damn Gameshark disc. This is like... They didn't even tell me what fucking version it is. Usually they do. They say like version 4 or... This one says copyright 2001. That gives you any kind of hint. I found a review online. It's gonna take a minute. I'm just gonna talk for a second. It's gonna fucking shit like it's like, oh, you need Gameshark disc for this, Gameshark disc that, and you need open up the damn PS1, do some freaky shit. You don't. All right, take your fucking Japanese PS1 game. Let's try this out. All right, so you turn it on. Right, boots up. This is gonna look like fucking garbage, but you know, check this out. So, you know, you boot it up. If I'm right, it shouldn't work. I hope not, because that makes... Yeah, so it's like, no, it don't work. So you fucking turn the damn thing off, open it up, take out the disc. Carefully. I got this Japanese game, Blue Breaker Burst, and some Japanese shit after it. It's a nice game. It's like, you like Soul Calibur, right? And imagine Soul Calibur that wasn't very good. There you go, that's fucking Blue Breaker Burst. That's a good game. That's why I like it so much. Love Soul Calibur, but I like not so good Soul Calibur. So, two things. You need this. Here's a fucking catch. Here's what you need. See if I can see it in there. You see that fucking like thing there with that little black dot? See that little black dot? That's a button. Right? You press that button. You don't press that button. This fucking peg right here, that presses the button. That tells the game, that fucking tells the console that this tray is shut. Won't spin the disc unless it's shut. Right? Now I got a theory as to why this works. Why this whole thing works. And I'm going to show you. Right, so first you take your damn Gameshark disc, put it in there. On over 10, this is normal circumstances right here. Right? Now see, it's spinning, because the thing is in there. But normally, I'm going to act, this is the first thing, I'm going to act like it's normal. I ain't even done no tape stuff, you know, see the tape's not in the way of the disc. Nice. Careful not to touch that shit. You know, don't mess up stuff. You should have the tray closed, but I'm having it open just to demonstrate. Right, so you take this, you look, the damn TV, you gotta wait. Last time the game didn't load, and by game I mean Gameshark. But now it is. You hit some X, skip the stupid intro. I mean awesome intro, you know. See it's spinning. Not supposed to be doing that. Because the thing's, you know, it's like, alright, no memory card. Insert memory card and reset PlayStation or press X to continue. There's a damn memory card in here. Alright, there we go. Never mind. Ignore that. So you got 4 options here. You got start game, you got select game, you got options, explore. This is how you fucking do the cheat codes. You don't do the cheat codes. Here's what you do. Select game. Without codes. No codes. You hit that shit. Insert game disc. Now normally, this is when you'd open the tray, take the Gameshark disc out, toss it aside. Come on. Grab your Japanese game, pop it in there, right? Or grab your American game, pop it in there, close the tray, hit X, and then it's like, alright, game disc is inserted, then it's like, alright, and it runs the game. Now, if you do this without the tape, don't fucking work. It's just the same as if you fucking booted a damn console, just turn it on with the game in there. It don't work. And here's why. I think this is why. I think. Could be wrong. Probably wrong. I think this is why. So you got that little button in there. When that's held down, alright, when you put an American disc into an American console, it's got an American thumbs up. Thumbs up goes into the imaginary thumbs up hole, right? So you think about this. That tells the system, you can run this game. Do it. It's all good. It gives it the thumbs up. But when you put Japanese game in there, don't got the American thumbs up. So it doesn't find the thumbs up, so it don't run the game. I'm kind of trying to explain region lockout. But anyway, when you put in the Gameshark disc, it gives it a thumbs up. Now the thing is, here's where it says, where you take it out, you put it in the other one, right? When you open this tray, the thumbs up goes away from the Gameshark disc. And when you close it and start it up, there, it looks for it again. But if you have that tape in there, and it thinks the tray is closed, the thumbs up from that Gameshark disc, that don't go away. I almost restarted the console. Oops. There we go. You hit X. Check it out. Spinning. So the tray has been closed the whole time. So the console thinks. If this don't work, I'm gonna be mad pissed. There you go. It's a fucking game. If I can zoom in. Right? Now I haven't fucking modded this console at all. Cause I tried it. I tried it beforehand. You saw that shit. Don't fucking work. Okay, start, right? Got that. Look at that text. Can't even read that. Makes me happy. Yeah. Anyway, everything works. So it's like you're playing on a Japanese console. Because this fucking thumbs up from this thing still in there. From the Gameshark disc. Still in there. That thumbs up is fucking still in there. Now I look all over fucking internet. People tell me do the swap trick. You gotta open the thing and switch out the close the fucking thing. It's too quick. You know, you don't fucking need that. Get yourself a Gameshark disc. This gotta be super cheap. I got this for free with my fucking PlayStation. Bought it for like $20 at a garage sale. Come with this fucking Final Fantasy 7, which I don't even want to play, but you know I got it. And 8, except 8's Black Label, which is not that means anything, but you know. But anyway, works. Right? See that shit works. Because the thing is, people talk about soldering and fucking doing some fancy shit. I can't fucking do that. I don't want to mess my shit up, you know. And so there's no risk of ruining your console doing this, except if you fuck up shit with the tape, which I doubt. It's just a button. You can view it. It's nice. It's a good button. I can see it. I couldn't see it earlier, which is, I was wondering if it was going to work, but it does. But as far as I know, this works with every Gameshark version. I heard there's a Gameshark version, I've heard one tutorial say that there was a fucking Gameshark version 4. Am I actually going to lose? Yeah, this game's not that great, but I love it. Can I play with one hand? No. But anyway, I saved up for this damn game. It was worth it. It was every fucking penny. Okay, but anyway, I've heard there's one tutorial that said that you needed a Gameshark version 4 or some shit that doesn't, that like keeps the thumbs up. Pretty much the idea is that one keeps the fucking thumbs up anyway. But with the tape, you can just do that. And I've been hunting around looking for this. I'm like, wow, Gameshark 4, Gameshark. There you go, fine, whatever. Gameshark 4, can't fucking find it. You know, look all around for the damn thing. Don't work. Can't find it, you know, it's expensive. It's got some weird version, complete in box, Gameshark. Don't fucking, just go get whatever Gameshark you can fucking get. It all works. I've only tried this one version, but I doubt it's any different. Because I've tried it, I'm not removing that tape because it took like hell to get that tape in there. But you could do like, all you gotta do is keep that button pressed down. That's all you need is good tape. Or, I don't know, do some weird shit with a toothpick. I don't fucking know. But it works. And I know it works. I've tried it and it works. I'm happy about it. So now you can play your fucking Japanese PS1 games on your damn American PS1. You gotta worry about messing with the shit inside the console. You gotta worry about, you know, and I've seen no other tutorial that does this. I look around, I see people talking about opening the console up, hard mod and shit. I hear people talking about getting like Gameshark version this or whatever. No, you don't fucking do that. Here's what you do. You get regular Gameshark and a fucking piece of tape. I ain't never seen nobody do this. And I'm looking around this myself, and then I just stuck some tape in there. I don't know why. You know. And there you go. I got me some tape in there. I run and shit. I was like, and it fucking worked. And I'm like, what the hell am I doing? And it fucking worked. I don't even got an explanation for how I find this shit out. Because I'm not gonna go fucking buy a Japanese PS1 and some fucking voltage converter shit. I can't even get a voltage converter. If I could get one. Which is probably fucking expensive. Don't fucking do that. Don't go looking for crazy Gameshark. Don't go buying Japanese PS1. Don't go fucking just get the damn Gameshark disc. All you need is a Gameshark disc and a piece of fucking tape. That's all you need.